Welcome back to List Legends, fellow travelers. In today's digital age, your smartphone is one of the most important tools you'll carry on your travels. With the right apps, you can turn your trip from ordinary to extraordinary. So whether you're planning your next vacation or already on the go, stick around as we count down the top 10 must-have travel apps for 2024. These apps will help you navigate, book, organize, and make the most of your journey. Let's dive in. Starting off at number 10, we have PackPoint. Packing can be a stressful part of any trip, but PackPoint makes it a breeze. This app helps you create custom packing lists based on your destination, length of stay, and the activities you have planned. It even considers the weather forecast to suggest what you should bring. No more overpacking or forgetting your essentials. PackPoint offers key features like personalized packing lists customized for your trip and suggestions based on the local weather, and shareable lists for group trips. If you're someone who always ends up either overpacking or forgetting something important, PackPoint will become your new best friend. Coming in at number 9 is Rome to Rio, an app that makes travel planning a breeze. Whether you're looking for flights, trains, buses, ferries, or even driving routes, Rome to Rio covers it all. Simply enter your starting point and destination, and the app shows you all available travel options, complete with prices and travel times. Rome to Rio is incredibly useful for comparing different modes of transport, so you can choose the best option based on your schedule and budget. It's perfect for those multi-destination trips. Rome to Rio will help you put it all together seamlessly. Number 8 on our list is TripIt, the ultimate travel organizer. TripIt takes all the confirmation emails for flights, hotels, car rentals, and more, and automatically creates a detailed itinerary for you. No more scrolling through your inbox to find that booking reference. Everything is in one place. With features like real-time flight alerts, terminal maps, and integration with your calendar, TripIt helps you stay organized and stress-free throughout your journey. You can even share your itinerary with family and friends. At number 7, we have Google Translate, a must-have app for any international traveler. With support for over 100 languages, Google Translate helps you break down language barriers, whether you're reading signs, ordering food, or having a conversation. One of its standout features is the camera mode, which lets you instantly translate text by simply pointing your phone's camera at it. This is incredibly useful for navigating foreign menus, signs, and documents, and with offline translation available. You won't be stranded without help, even if you lose internet connection. Next up at number 6 is Skyscanner, your go-to app for finding the best flight deals. Skyscanner has one of the biggest network of airlines. It compares prices across hundreds of airlines and travel agencies, including many smaller budget carriers. It helps you find the cheapest and most convenient flights. But it's not just about flights. Skyscanner also lets you search for hotels and car rentals. The app's flexible search options, like cheapest month and everywhere destination searches, are perfect for those spontaneous trips, where you're open to exploring new places on a budget. Halfway through our countdown, at number 5 is Airbnb, an app that has revolutionized the way we find accommodation. With millions of listings around the world, Airbnb offers everything from cozy apartments to luxurious villas, all with the personal touch of a host. What sets Airbnb apart is the variety of options it offers. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly room or a unique stay in a treehouse, you'll find it here. Plus, with the Experiences feature, you can book local tours and activities directly through the app, making it a one-stop shop for all your travel needs. At number 4, we have XE Currency, an essential tool for managing your money while traveling abroad. XE Currency provides live exchange rates, allowing you to quickly convert currencies on the go, whether you're haggling at a market or just keeping track of your spending. XE Currency ensures you always know how much you're spending in your home currency. You can even set up rate alerts to get notified when your desired exchange rate is available. Taking the third spot is Citymapper, an app that takes city navigation to the next level. Citymapper covers everything from public transit routes to walking and cycling directions, with real-time updates and step-by-step instructions. Citymapper's strength lies in its detailed information, whether you're figuring out the quickest route, checking the next bus or train, or even finding the nearest bike-sharing station. Citymapper has you covered. It's especially handy in complex cities with multiple modes of transportation available like London, New York, or Tokyo. At number 2, we have Google Lens, an incredibly versatile app that turns your smartphone camera into a powerful tool for exploration. With Google Lens, you can identify landmarks, scan QR codes, translate text, and even find similar clothing just by pointing your camera. Imagine walking through a city and instantly identifying buildings, monuments, or plants with just a tap, or translating a foreign menu in seconds. Google Lens is like having a tour guide, translator, and shopping assistant all in one app, making it a must-have for curious travelers. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is none other than Google Maps. It's the ultimate travel companion, offering everything from turn-by-turn navigation to real-time traffic updates and detailed information on local businesses. Whether you're looking for the best restaurants, navigating public transport, or finding the quickest route to your destination, Google Maps has you covered. Real-time navigation and traffic updates, local business information and reviews, offline maps. Google Maps is indispensable for travelers, making it easier to explore new places, find hidden gems, and get where you need to go without a hitch. And there you have it, 10 must-have travel apps for 2024. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a round-the-world trip, these apps will help you stay organized, save money, and make the most of your adventures. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and guides. Happy travels, and see you in the next video.